So basically what's happening is this is a welding procedure specification. And what's supposed to happen is I'm supposed to be able, you or the contractor is supposed to be able to give this piece of paper to a welder, and that welder is supposed to follow all of this criteria and make a weld, and it's supposed to be compliant. Generally, per the D1.1, this is all pre-qualified. There are certain instances when it is not. One specific is going to be mixed solid wire ran with a short circuit in short circuit. It's the same welding wire, same gas, same machine. It's just a different process that makes the welding process a little bit more hot. And what I'm doing here is I'm certifying you guys to weld for the AWS D1.1. That way you guys can go run a structural job and you have the proper documentation for the engineer and the inspector on the job. Once I do that, you guys all pass, you're golden. So, it's in a V like this.
Okay, right.
So that first one I did, I showed you, where it's narrow.
Yeah.
That's called the root.
Okay.
The first pass is the root.
Okay.
And you can see where it's wider, here, that's the cap.
Okay.
So for the destructive criteria here, I'm doing a root bend, and I'm doing a face bend.
Okay.
So, here we go, right here. So the narrower part is going to be the first pass down here at the bottom, which would be this bend.
Okay.
The wider part here is going to be the face, where this crown is.
Okay.
That's all it is. And these guys did a beautiful job. The welds are all compliant. Everything looks real nice. You guys should be ready to go.
Cool. So we just had the qualification for our welders here at the shop, and everybody did pretty good. Everybody got qualified, so we're all set there.